Those who have the opportunity and privilege to govern states should not just see themselves alone as political triton among the minnows. They must jettison political egocentrism, and they must jettison political narcissism, and make themselves available to equilibrate various diverse, various heterogeneous political interests. When you do that, the politics of the state moves smoothly. I think asking questions, that is exactly what the governor of Kogi State has done. And it's not too much. It's not too much to sell that as a template to other states. Well, there is a medical sociological jargon which says mens sana in corpore sano, which means a sound mind in a sound body. You know, one of the ways you can measure development of any society has to do with the health ceramics, has to do with the medical infrastructure. You know, so if you have the roads in Kogi State emblazoned with gold, and the medical facilities are not up to standard, then it's just sheer political abracadabra and razzmatazz. So we congratulate the governor of Kogi State, who knows that beyond political infrastructure, he equally needed to intervene medically. I am told that it is not just only this general hospital that has caught the fancy of the governor. I am told that in juxtapose with the renovation and procurement of up to standard scientific facilities for this general hospital in Ida, I'm told that there are other 12 similar efforts of Mr. Governor. If you recognize, if you take into immutable cognition of the fact that for the last 40 years, this hospital has not caught the fancy of the intervention of any governor, then of course you will understand the kind of importance, you will understand the kind of germaneness this governor attached to health intervention. I congratulate him, and for that matter, I congratulate the Ida people, and I congratulate the people of Igala Kingdom. Ida local government arm, so it is the headquarters of Igala land. And I am happy, I am very, very happy that one of our urbane, gentle, even though cosmopolitan national political leader in APC, Honorable Yakubu Muri, comes from this local government. We are happy and delighted that for his efforts and more, he's having this legacy project in his local government. He's a young man who is a bridge builder. He's a young man who has offered himself to be a catalytic force for progressive change in the APC nationally. A man I love to describe as a political MS Trismegistus. I'm happy from this local government indeed.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.